Hi guys, in today's video I will create this simple smoky eye look in just 2 easy steps, and this look is specially for upcoming festivals Durga Puja, Navratri, Diwali. So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are new here, and let's get started. So before applying makeup, I have cleansed my face using Dermavive Hydra Cleanser, and next I am going to use a toner. It's from Claire's, one of my favorite for sensitive skin. I am dabbing it all over my face and also on my neck. And next I am going to use a Nutriderm moisturizer. You can find my review on Instagram on this product. It's really good for dry and sensitive skin. For the lips, I am using Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lip Balm. And now I will start with filling my eyebrows. I am using Blue Heaven Artist Eyebrow Pencil. It has a sharp tip and comes with a spoolie brush. So you guys must have seen me using this product only, as it's really good at affordable price. I will prep my eyelid using Sugar Cosmetics Concealer in shade Con Leche. I'm applying it on the borders of my eyebrows as well to make it look more neat and precise. And to blend the concealer, I am using concealer blending brush from PAC, and to set it I am using Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in shade Light. Now first I am applying kajal from Nykaa all over my eyelid like this and blending using my fingers. So we won't be applying too much. I am just blending it on the eyelid, not over that, and this is how it will look. Then I am using Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose eyeshadow palette and picking this dark brown shade on a fluffy brush, and then I am blending all over my eyelid where my eye socket is. It's called the crease area. Then applying this black shade using my finger where I have just used the kajal earlier, and again I am blending on the crease, but with a clean brush, not using any shade now. And now I am lining my lower and upper waterline with kajal, and I am using the same brown shade in the lower lash line to smoke it out. Now to cover my dark circles, I am using Inside Cosmetic Concealer in shade NC2 Beige. It's one shade darker for me but covers the dark circles really well. I am also applying it around my mouth area as there is some pigmentation and on some pimple marks, and then I am blending it using the same concealer blending brush from PAC. Next, using K-Beauty foundation in shade 120 Y Light, I am just using 4 tiny drops to cover my entire face and neck. It's very lightweight and gives natural coverage. I absolutely love this foundation. I am blending it using a Color Bar Beauty Blender, and again I am using concealer from Sugar Cosmetics to highlight my face, like under eye, on the bridge of my nose, chin and forehead. It is one shade light for me, so it works really well for highlighting. And then I am setting my base with same loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me. To contour my face, I am using NYX Matte Bronzer on the hollows of my cheeks, jawline and nose. And guys, this is the blush I'm loving these days so much. It's from Miss Clear. It's in the shade 03, and see how pretty it looks with that floral print. It would look lovely on every skin tone. I'm picking it on a stippling brush, and from the center of my cheeks to outward direction, I'm blending it evenly and a little on the tip of my nose as well. Now to set my makeup, I'm using Wet n Wild makeup setting spray. For the highlighter, using Wet n Wild highlighter in shade Precious Petals, I am applying using a small fluffy brush on high points of my face like cheekbone, bridge of my nose, brow bone, cupid's bow and chin. And now I will be using Nicka K eyeshadow palette in the shade Oh Honey. I am picking this golden metallic shade on the back side of this brush and using on the inner corner of my eyes. And now I am curling my eyelashes and using Mars Cosmetics Fabulash mascara. This is how the makeup looks. And now for the lips, I am using Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner in shade Sweetheart Pink. I am filling my lips using the lip liner. And lastly, I will finish it off using a bold red lipstick from Swiss Beauty HD Matte in shade Pop Red. It has a powder matte formula but very comfortable on the lips and really long lasting. So this is how my makeup look has turned out. Smoky eye looks good with nude lips, we all know that, but it also looks gorgeous with a red lip, isn't it? I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you recreate, do tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your beautiful makeup looks. So this is how my entire outfit outfit and jewelry I have styled with. To watch more such videos, do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. I'll be back very soon with more festive makeup looks. Advance happy Durga Puja to you all. Stay safe guys. Bye.